It's the nature of God himself. Huh? And man is created out of that nature. So if I'm hardwired for righteousness and I live unrighteously, I have placed on myself unknowingly a strain on my own life. Then I ask for a woman to come into my life and share her life with me, and I'm broken from the start. So how is she fixed? The second self of God. I heard the minister say once, black women are sad women. She's called widow. We said last week, prophecy got language. She's called widow in the scripture. He said she's a widow because her man is dead. You ever seen a widow? She's in mourning. Huh? So he said she's sad because she can't find fulfillment in the man whom God made to fulfill her by her helping him to fulfill himself. How's he going to fulfill himself? He belongs to God. And until he reports to duty, the activity of a love for his God, he'll always be broken. Because he can't be a real man without God. Are y'all following me now? Well, where do I find Islam? Earth is the home of Islam. Well, I thought Islam was at your mosque. So Muhammad was asked, well, when we going to the mosque? Muhammad looked at him and said, Allah has made the earth my mosque. Huh? How could he say that? Because earth is the home of Islam. And we are made up out of the earth. The soil of the earth, that's our flesh. The water of the earth is our blood. And the stone of the earth is our bone. We bury people. Everything that came from the earth go back to the earth. That's right. But the